It's dog recording.
That's the main dog.
Dog recording.
And he's 20 years old.
He's 1,000 years old. And it's a dog.
And he's 20 years old. In dog years, he's 200. Isn't that old for a dog? Okay. Now, let's go.
We're recording a dog.
You should record my dog.
Recording the dog. Hello.
He's not very friendly.
Goodbye. No more dog cam. This is grass cam.
Let's watch the
Kensington.
Okay.